Guys, you're welcome to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Tacha is a bloody nobody. Her titans are senseless animals. Blessing Okoro blows hot. Relationship blogger Blessing Okoro has hurled insult at Tacha for acting like she's bigger than other celebrities just because she was opportune to be part of BBnaija. Blasting the reality star, Blessing Okoro made reference to Tacha's response to Angela Okoro after the latter called her out for being ungrateful. Blessing Okoro maintained that Tacha had no right to belittle Angela and that her so-called titans who makes her feel special are all low-class animals. The relationship blogger further asserted that if you take away Instagram, Tacha is a bloody nobody, and her fan base do not have sense at all. Concluding the video, Blessing stated that she has nothing to fear, as the only thing Titans can use to fire back at her is the fact that she sampled another person's house as hers, which got her into trouble at the time with the real owner of the house, Onyeze. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you.